The sound recognition feature on your iPhone is a powerful accessibility tool that allows your device to listen for specific sounds, such as a baby crying, a doorbell, or a smoke alarm, and alert you when it detects them. Let's learn how to set it up and use it. Solution 1. How to enable sound recognition on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Sound Recognition. Toggle the sound recognition switch to on. Solution 2. How to select specific sounds for recognition. After enabling sound recognition, you can choose which specific sounds you want your iPhone to listen for. Once sound recognition is enabled, you'll see a list of sounds your iPhone can recognize. Toggle on the sounds you want your device to listen to. Options may include smoke alarm, baby crying, doorbell, dog barking, car horn, and other common sounds. By setting up sound recognition, you'll be giving your iPhone an extra layer of intelligence to listen for important sounds on your behalf. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.